Hey guys, I just came home from school and my package came in, and this is a fidget spinner I bought online. It's transparent, so yeah, let's get into it because I'm really excited to do it. My 30th subscriber will be right here. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure to show him some love and subscribe to him too. And I'll leave him in the links in the description. So let's get started with opening this. I would open it with this, so let's get open. I don't want to hit the thing because this fidget spinner can break easily. There's nothing else in the box, and this is what the box looks like a cardboard box, and it had something made in China, Sunny Tech. So anyways, let's just open this if I know how to. Okay, so here is the fidget spinner. As you can see, it's not transparent, but this is just a brown protective sticker, and if you take it off, it would be transparent. So it comes with like paper. I don't know. Open this. Could you do me a favor? Leave a comment. So, okay, so this is the guy who wrote this and sent me it. So let's get into the actual package. Came in with a cool plastic bag so it won't break, and yeah, let's go into it. Ooh, that feels good already, so I'll get back to you guys when I have this fully out. But the design looks very cool. It has like a outer, like it's popping out a little bit, which I love, and yeah. So let's just get into this. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just got finished peeling it off. All I did was get a knife and scratched it a little, the brown part a little, and it managed to like loosen up, and so I just made it like go out. So this thing is a little bit squeaky. I don't know if you guys can hear that. So guys, I'm gonna do a speed test on this, and I'll catch back when the speed test is finished. I'm doing a time lapse for you guys. So guys, my overall thought was on this fidget spinner is it's okay. It's not the best. I was kind of disappointed because of its spin time. I thought it would spin like for 2 minutes, but that wasn't the case. I think if you want like a spinner that's fast, you should try pass on this. And if you want the spinner that's kind of fast and looks cool, you should get this. I bought this for $10, and if you guys want to buy it, all links are going to be in the description. And yeah, so basically, I'll see you guys later.